Hello travelers, welcome back to TMR Tours. Today we are going over to the Polynesian Resort at Walt Disney World to check out one of the DVC studio rooms. This studio room is one of the newer refurbs here at the Polynesian, and as you walk into this studio, there's tons of sliding doors and wooden doors. We'll get back to that because there are closets and bathrooms galore here. Now going into the main area of the room, you have that fifth sleeper single pull-out, which is a Murphy bed, the queen bed, and then of course the larger Murphy bed over the couch. Now one nice thing about this resort, you have end tables on both sides of the bed with the updated plugs and outlets. One thing about the studio rooms that we really love all across property are these little kitchenettes. Now this one has a microwave, a toaster, a fridge, and even a freezer. That is a nice upgrade to some of the other resorts, having an actual freezer where you can maybe store Mickey bars and other frozen treats. Now there is a spacious closet with plenty of room to hang things, your ironing board, safe, and luggage rack, anything you might need while you're moving your luggage in and getting set up in the room. Now across the hall, you have two bathrooms, not just one, two. So you have a standard bathroom, we'll call it, with a sink, the bathtub shower, and the toilet. And going into the bathtub, it is a regular shower head, and of course has those dispensers for soap, conditioner, and body wash like you see at other resorts. This bathroom features a single vanity with that shelf under the mirror and some drawers to store some of your products and or toiletries in. Now across the way, there is a quote-unquote adult bathroom, we'll call it, with the rainfall shower head, the free hand wash shower head, as well as a bench seat and a little soap rack, and of course those pumps as well. The sink here does have a little bit more room on the counter itself with that extra high shelf, as well as some drawers underneath. You can also find a makeup mirror in this bathroom, as well as a hair dryer. So some of those upgraded features, which make it seem more of like an adult kids bathroom, because this is a fifth sleeper, and between the two Murphy beds and the actual bed, you can get 5 people into this studio room. The Polynesian features like this Maui lamp and even the extra storage in the coffee table is really nice. One thing to note is there is minimal storage, whether it's the closet, but there is no dresser drawers like you would find in other resorts because of the fifth sleeper Murphy bed. Now let's go take a look at this balcony. It is very spacious. The curtains open for the whole wall to be glass looking out into tropical Florida. Now you can get resort view, pool view, and even fireworks view here at the Polynesian. This particular room is a resort view looking at some of the convention space. One thing that makes this really nice is how spacious the room is. If you have a group of 4 or 5, you can easily all fit into this one single room, which is kind of an update from other Walt Disney World resort rooms. The Murphy beds have been a nice addition because during the day you can lift those back into place and have plenty of space to spread out in your room. They are very easy to pull down. Someone of average strength would be able to do it, whether it's the single or the double Murphy bed. Again, with both beds open, there is still plenty of room to maneuver and move about this room, which makes it really nice. What do you think? Would you love staying in one of these studio rooms at the Polynesian? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this TMR tour, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos in the future. And we'll see you on another TMR tour.